Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cook with Momo. Today we will stir-fry mala potatoes. This mala potatoes is delicious and super easy. Let's start cooking. Slice peeled potatoes. Fry potato slices. Add chopped garlic. Add 1 tablespoon Haidalao mala sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, and stir fry. Mala potatoes is ready. Done within 5 minutes. Potatoes is delicious. Give it a try. You will fall in with this potatoes. Let's cook easy and delicious salted chicken porridge. Salted and delicious. Porridge with tender chicken meat. If you have no appetite and want a quick meal, just cook this. Let's start cooking now. Steamed chicken marinate with salt for minimum 30 minutes. Rice and preserved vegetables. Wash and drain rice. Set aside. Add washed preserved vegetables and water or chicken broth. Select porridge button, cook for 30 minutes. Optional to add sesame oil into chicken. Let's check it out after 30 min. Look at the smooth texture of porridge. Add chicken and cook for 2 minutes. Seasoning salt and pepper powder to taste. If you add water to cook porridge, optional to season with chicken powder. It's tastier if you cook porridge with chicken broth. Pour into bowl to serve. Garnish with spring onion or fried shallots oil. Salted chicken porridge is done. This porridge is easy and delicious. Porridge is flavorful enough with salted chicken. Give it a try. Today we will fry sambal bihin. This sambal bihin tastes alike Siam bihin. Yummy! Let's start cooking. Bihin and sambal sauce. Cut vegetables into smaller pieces. Wash curry leaves and remove from stem by pushing forward. Cubes lemongrass. Soak bihin until softened. Sliced onion. Sauté onion, lemongrass, and curry leaves. Add sambal sauce and stir fry. Add 1 bowl hot boiling water. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and pepper powder. Add bihin and let it absorb soup. Add vegetable. Use chopstick to fry bihin to avoid bihin broken. Fry for 2 minutes until bihun has absorbed all soup. Plate. Sambal sauce fried bihun is ready. Optional to add your favorite ingredients. A fish cake. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.